My name is Nate Martin. I'm a spokesperson for the Cryptocurrency Institute, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to reveal to you a weird but simple, low-risk cryptocurrency investment loophole that has allowed students of ours to turn $20 into over $100,000 in just 3 months. Yes, just moments after watching this presentation, you'll know the one simple crypto loophole that the top 1% of the hidden elite class of investors exploit to get returns of 150%, 500%, and even 10,000%, sometimes within a few months or even weeks. Here's just a short breakdown of the returns they were able to achieve. 752% gain in 9 days, 503% gain in 3 weeks, 2,400% gain in 50 days, 1,992% gain in 4 weeks. Now, if you thought that was a fluke, let me tell you, these results are nothing compared to the explosive profits that some of the best performers achieved in this market. Here's a screenshot of them. If you bought NXT when it was launched, your investment would have increased by 518,832%. If you bought IOTA when it was launched, your investment would have increased by 145,980%. If you bought Ethereum when it was launched, your investment would have increased by 96,560%. And the list goes on and on. So as you can see, what I'm about to show you isn't a best-case hypothetical situation that never happens in real life. All the stats I mentioned to you are 100% obtainable, achievable, and completely real. But there is one catch. You have to move fast. The window of opportunity to profit from this is rapidly closing. In fact, the deadline for this is the 31st of December at the end of this year. I'll explain why in a moment, but all you need to know is this. It doesn't matter how old you are and never invested before. It doesn't matter if you have no investing or trading experience at all. It doesn't even matter if you don't have a lot of money. In fact, you can start today for as little as $10. If you start today, you too can start profiting moments after watching this presentation and making money from using this amazing little loophole. Imagine the tech boom in the 90s all over again, except this time it's 100,000 times bigger, more reliable, and it won't be isolated to only American companies. In fact, Forbes recently had a front page cover titled Bitcoin, Cryptocurrency, the Future. Did you know cryptocurrency is already gaining worldwide acceptance, with governments in Russia, Japan, China, and the United States starting to accept these investments? And as of right now, it just also happens to be the world's fastest method of creating millionaires, currently producing worldwide 100 millionaires a day. All the smart money have already made their move and transferred large portions of their holdings into this new up-and-coming opportunity. I'm talking about moguls like Richard Branson, founder of Virgin, Bill Gates from Microsoft, Mark Andreessen, founder of Netscape, PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel, billionaire philanthropist Mark Cuban, and many more. So this means if you don't have your money invested here, it'll be like having your money in old school typewriters when desktop computers took over the world. And no, I'm not talking about investing in the popular cryptocurrency coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, or Monaco. What I'm going to reveal to you is something that is even more profitable than all these currencies combined. Yes, what I'm about to reveal to you is that powerful. So how do I know this works? Well, after showing more than 19,382 students in USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand, our team of international analysts and researchers are proud to report a 96% success rate, with the average return across the board being over 759%. The best thing is, the method I'm about to show you works at such low risk that it might as well be risk-free. So if you're looking to jump on board an entirely new class of investments and also exploit this loophole that will explode your portfolio within a few short weeks and sometimes in just days, then let me pass you to my friend Pat Kendrick. He's a retired economist and longtime investor in this currency platform. He also happens to be the head of the crypto mining and trading division at the Cryptocurrency Institute. In fact, he was one of the first to start mining Bitcoin and Ethereum in North America before most people even knew what it was. Since then, he has amassed an impressive portfolio and his track record is nothing short of amazing. That is why we believe there is no one more qualified on this topic. So without further ado, here's Pat.
My name is Patrick Kendrick, and I'm a retired economist, lead researcher, and head of the crypto mining and trading division here at Cryptocurrency Institute. If you're sick of getting standard market returns of 10% or less a year, then you need to listen very carefully to what I'm about to reveal to you next. I've spent years working in this industry from both the academic side, such as theoretical research and analysis, to personally supervising cryptocurrency day trades in the real world, flipping ICOs, arbitrage, and cryptocurrency mining. So trust me when I tell you this. I understand more than almost anyone in the country how the super rich, the top 1% of the elite, exploit loopholes in the marketplace in securities in order to obtain ungodly amounts of market returns of up to 10,000% ROI with almost no risk at all. Let me reveal to you a one-of-a-kind cryptocurrency profit loophole that's going to completely transform your net worth, your income statement, and your financial position practically overnight. The best thing is, we have modified this loophole so it works for everyday folks without a lot of money to risk and with zero experience. In fact, here are the life-changing results of our students who are first-time investors. People like 66-year-old Joe D., a retired salesperson from Richmond, Virginia. Joe initially invested $7,000 using this method. I am now close to $250,000. David Smithson, a 61-year-old business owner from Austin, Texas. He says his portfolio has increased $500,000 in less than 3 months. I feel like I now have the chance to recover the lost profits I missed out in the 90s tech boom, he said. Matthew G. had never invested before until 12 weeks ago. I took my money out of the stock market because it wasn't doing that well, he said. My $35,000 has grown to $600,000 in that very short time. Samantha H. was a single mom and newbie and never invested before when she signed up. My savings of $7,000 has went up to almost $90,000 in just 4 months, she said. Now, these results may sound too good to be true, but this is the reality of the situation right now. Take a look at this chart. It appeared in Fortune magazine just a few weeks ago. As you can see, this new asset class grew from less than $10 billion to $150 billion the past 12 months. And it's only going to get bigger and bigger. Now, I must warn you to watch this video right now till the very end, because if you do not, and come back tomorrow, I cannot guarantee that it will be available for you for free then. Did you know? If you bought $1,000